So this is a bit of a impromptu video, but it's something that just happened that I want to share with you. And if you ever thought that you'd ever run out of project ideas or things you got to fix or do, this is why you won't. We've been having issues with our shower door lately because I think the frame's a little crooked and
yes. Yeah, it's crooked.
You really got to kind of muscle it to get it in, to get the door closed and to open it. So today I was opening the shower door and it was a little stuck. And
then I hear a crash, and then it sounds like marbles or something like psh.
Yeah.
And I was like, what the heck was that?
So if you ever wonder what happens if you pull on the shower door handle a little too hard, well, this is what happens. Check it out. Yep, here's our shower door completely shattered.
Oh God, don't do that.
It's totally damaged, and now...
This is not the recommended way to come up with new content.
Well, the thing is that Melissa was looking at, somebody else's RV recently. I think it was Courtney's. And
it was actually Courtney's.
And she's got this really kind of cool shower decor. And she's like, whoa, we should redo our bathroom in the RV and do something different with the shower, maybe a shower curtain or something like that. So I'm like, nah, I don't know.
It's going to happen now.
Probably.
He said no, but Karma said yes.
At least something different. So now what do I got to do? We're out here actually boondocking in the desert, and we have no shower door, and I think we're going to have a little ghetto garbage bag repair job.
Absolutely fabulous.
Anyway, I got to get to this. I think I got a tarp or something I could put over it.
Oh, God.
Well, I think that's all the big chunks. Check out the shower now. Yeah, all inside there. I had to cover up the drain hole. Let's make sure no glass went down there. And I got a nice pile of it here on the tarp. Let's clean the sucker up and, I don't know, come up with some sort of door. Can you grab me the tape? Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So here's the original problem, is that the door was really stuck and it was hard to open, but actually without the weight of the glass, it's opening a little bit smoother now. So we had to kind of lift it up a little bit to square it up in this hole. I was really having to tug on it to get it out, and now we're doing this.
All right, how's it going?
I think we're done.
Oh, good.
What do you think?
Well,
Yeah.
I mean, that'll work. Temporary.
Look at all that natural light. Nice decorative striping here.
I'm just glad that that's there and not broken glass. So
I think it's gonna work.
Yeah,
I told you it's gonna be better than before.
No.
You're gonna want to keep it.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You are.
I'm getting my new bathroom now.
Oh man, she's got so many ideas.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Which means more work for me, so stay tuned if you want to see what we actually do with this bathroom. I guess sometimes you got to break stuff to
There's always a
get
silver
some new
lining,
ideas.
right?
All right.
Mm-hmm.
All right, take it easy. See you in the next one.
Bye.